Hello and welcome back to my model railway channel. Today we're going to look at building a camera car to capture POV shots of your model railway. So the easiest way I've found to create these camera cars is by using an SQ11 Cube Camera. These are pretty ubiquitous and you can find them all over the place. Cheapest I've found is on Aliexpress or Temu for around about £7 or £8 shipped, and they're really simple. You've got a slot there for a micro SD card, TF card or whatever they're called. That just slots in there, and charging is through the little micro USB port. And then really simple camera controls. You just press the power on button and press it once to start recording in 720p, and press the other button to switch the modes. It does have 1080p recording. Quality is not great, but bearing in mind this is a super tiny camera. So how do I turn that Cube camera into a camera car? Well, the easiest way is to use a depressed center car. This will get the camera low enough down on the car to actually clear most of your obstacles and get through tunnels. Just remove the center load and then literally blue tack the camera on. Okay. What I've found, however, is that with these depressed center cars, the bogies are actually quite loose, so there's quite a lot of shaking in the footage. So it is possible to take these things apart, and here's one I made earlier. So this is literally an old 7-plank private wagon, which I've chopped about to create a slot for the camera to fit in, and then the battery is hot glued into the back. There's also a weight underneath, like a wheel weight. That way you get as much weight down low to stop any of the shaking. So let's get it on the layout and see how it runs. Thanks for tuning in to this short tutorial video, and if you like the content and you think it's useful, please do comment, like, subscribe, do all the usual YouTubey stuff, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye now.